Say inheritance example. Inheritance example. First, create one class. Suppose class A, just class A. Is a problem? Package. Why it is not creating A class? A already available now. Got the problem, Kamal?
Yeah.
Class
Yes,
A available in the same same package. See here, observe red type already exists now. Okay, see, suppose B. Finish. Declare variables. Concentrate. See duplicate classes available, not permitted in a package. Duplicate class names not permitted. Int A, suppose int A equal to 10. Int B equal to 20. Sridevi, create one method, user defined method without returning value. I don't want to return value. Create user defined method without returning value. Tell me the syntax. Suppose I want the add method or addition method. Addition. Tell me the syntax.
Public static void add.
Static without using object. I'm going to use object. So public void method name addition of, suppose no parameters. Open curly braces. See, just a single statement. System dot out dot println of message, any meaningful message. Addition of A comma B is concatenate A plus B. Okay na Kamal? Method without returning value.
Yes,
Method without returning value. Here no parameters. I want to use this method. I want to use this method. I want to call this method. How to call? Suppose you run this one, you run. Nothing. Why? No main method. How to call? Say first write main method. Execution starts from main method. Public static void main of string args, open curly braces. Okay. Next, if you want to use the method object required, it's not static method, object required. Create object, Sridevi. How to create object? Using class name. We create objects using class name. Create object in class B.
E dot
B,
is equal
suppose
to
my object, any
is
object
equal
name
to
required na, equal to
new B
new B, follow
of
this syntax, new B of blank parenthesis, new B, semicolon. Next, use this object, my object dot
addition method.
addition. Then what is the output? What is the output?
30.
Addition of A comma B is 30. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. See, this is one class, super class. Next class, another, create another class in same package. File, new class, suppose C. In this C also create method with same name. Suppose int A equal to 100, int B equal to 200. Next, public void addition blank parenthesis, println of addition of A comma B is concatenate A plus B. Next call, first write main method, string, square brackets, args, create object in class C, Arti. Create object in class C. Create one object.
Maybe like let's say C my object.
C, suppose A, B, C.
ABC equal to new.
Equal to new.
New and C.
C.
And semicolon.
Okay.
ABC dot addition in this case. Yeah. And then semicolon at the end.
Okay. Run the program. See, addition 300. 300. Okay. Now extend this one. Class C extends A. Now what is the output? Kamal?
$30, sir.
No.
I think 330. Before it was the 30, and now is 300 adding, right?
No. 300 only. See, same name na method. First priority local class. 300. Suppose in this class, this method not available. Just a minute. Addition available in B, class B. Now what is the output? Sridevi?
No,
We extend B.
$30?
30. Yes.
Yeah, because in the class B, we have a 30, right?
In class C is local. In class C, no addition method. Then it goes to parent class. 30. Just a minute. You remove this one. This time, now in the local class also same method available. First priority local. See 300. Kamal, got the point?
yes, sir.
Any confusion? Ask me.
No, sir. Thank you. No, sir. Local class get first priority.
First priority local class. See, it checks addition method available or not in local class. Available. See, first priority 300. Suppose another scenario. In this local class, no addition method. Next, it will check parent class. The parent class addition method available. So it executes that one. Now what is the output? 30. Okay. Just a minute. Create another class. Class B, C, D. Say int A equal to 1, int B equal to 2. Next, public void addition, same name, addition of blank parenthesis, open curly braces, it is block, system.out.println of addition of A comma B is concatenate A plus B. Now create object in this D class. Sridevi, create object in order to access methods.
Yes, sir. D. Object name.
Suppose obj equal to new keyword, new D.
Of
Next, obj dot, no proposals. Why? Obj reserved word.
Yes, sir, maybe reserved word because it is displaying in.
Just a minute. dxyz. Why it is showing? Oh, something is there. We didn't invoke this main method. Na?
Main method.
Public static void main string obj not reserved word. Main string args. What is the problem still?
We have to finish that statement, right, sir? Obj dot.
Obj type A addition. Okay. Sometimes syntax errors lead another problem. Now tell me, Arti, what is the output?
Three.
3. First priority current
Three.
class D. So 3. 3. Suppose in this class no addition method. Next, what is the output? Extends na class D extends C. In C addition method is there, in D no addition method. Then what is the output?
300, sir.
300. 300. Suppose in C also no addition method. Then in D no addition method, C parent class no addition method. Next grandparent addition method is there. Then priority goes to grandparent. First current class, next parent class, next grandparent. What is the output?
30, sir.
30. Just a minute. Run. 30. Addition of A comma B is 30. Okay now? Arti,
Yeah, yes.
where is this B class? A. Where is that B class? Just a minute. See, first A class, first B class, next C class, C extends B, next D class, D extends C. See, first B class, it is grandparent. Next C class extends B. This is parent class. Next D class extends C. This is child class. See, priority. First priority, local class. Next immediate parent. Next grandparent, like that. This is about inheritance. Next, polymorphism. Polymorphism. What is polymorphism? Polymorphism means existence of object behavior in many forms. Say, polymorphism means existence of object behavior in many forms. There are two types of polymorphism. Any idea, Aarti? We have two types of polymorphism.
Compile time and runtime?
Good. There are two types. Two types of polymorphism. One is compile time. Compile time polymorphism, or you can say static binding. Static binding, or you can say method overloading. Method overloading. Next, another is runtime. Runtime polymorphism. Or dynamic binding. Or you can say method overriding. Method overriding. See, final conclusion, using method overloading and method overriding, we can achieve polymorphism. See, first, compile time. Compile time. What is compile time polymorphism? See, if two or more methods having same method name in the same class, but they are differ in the following ways: number of arguments, or type of arguments, or order of arguments. See, if two or more methods having same method name in the same class, if two or more methods having same method name in the same class, but they differ differ in the following ways. See, what are the ways? First one, number of arguments. Number of arguments. Example, add is method name. Add int a, int b. Add int a, int b. Next, add int a, int b, int c. Observarti, method name same. What is the difference?
One has more arguments, like
Argument data type same. First one has 2 arguments. Second one has 3 arguments. Suppose compile time, if you use 2 arguments, then it loads first add method. If we use 3 arguments, this second one. This is number of arguments. Next, another way, order of arguments. Order of arguments. Just change the order. Next, third one, type of arguments. Type of arguments. For example, add int a, int b. Next, same, add double a, double b. See, these are the differences. Can you tell me, Muhammad Kamal? Same names, but difference is?
Same name but different number of arguments.
Different number of
type
arguments. Next are type of arguments. Next, order of arguments.
Order of arguments.
See, I will show an example. See, this is a concept of method overloading. Method overloading. Create 2 methods with same name. Suppose public, just a minute. Public void add int a, int b. Int a, int b. Next, system dot out dot println of A plus B. Next, one more method with same name. Int C. Next, call these methods. First, main method, public static void main string args. Sridevi, create an object in order to call those methods. Create an object. How to create object? Using class name. Here class name is method overloading. Method overloading. Suppose obj equal to
new method overloading of
good. New method overloading semicolon. Next call obj dot add. See, observe here two add methods overloading. See, based on parameters arguments they invoke. Add of 2, 5. Next, obj dot add 2, 5, 7. Run. See 7, 14. Just a minute. You create one more method. Add double A double B. Obj dot add. This time 3 methods with same name. 1.234. Next 4.567. Run the program. The problem. See, just a minute. A plus B. Space optional. Still problem.
sir end parenthesis
End parenthesis.
for the above one. It's for second function, sir. A plus B
Okay,
plus C.
good,
We have
good.
to close it.
Good. Say 7, 14, 5.801. Observe Aarti, we created 3 methods with same name add. See first method, second method, data types same but number of arguments different. 2, 3. Next first method, third method, number of arguments same but type different. Okay na? This is about method overloading. Earlier we discussed this concept. Next, runtime polymorphism or method overriding. Method overriding. What is this concept? If two methods which are having same name and same arguments available in the superclass and subclass, then we call those two methods are overridden. Say method overloading single class, two or more methods having same name, but method overriding two different classes. See, if two methods which are having same name and same arguments available in the superclass and subclass, then we call those methods are overridden. See, if two methods are having same name and same arguments available in the superclass and subclass, then we call those two methods are overridden. Find the difference, Kamal. Method overloading and method overriding. Tell me the difference between method overloading and method overriding.
Sir, method overloading. Overloading is that the two methods can have same same name but different number of arguments or different type of arguments.
Different type of data, type of arguments. Okay, type of arguments in the same class.
Same class. Yes.
Same class. See,
method overriding is if the two methods are having same name and same arguments available in the superclass
and subclass. Then, okay, then overridden.
All those.
Overridden. See, overloading, overridden. See, overridden already we used. Observe. Class Y, create method int A, int B, just a minute. Next, public void add public void add blank curly braces, okay. Create a method with returning value Sridevi.
Yes, sir.
Create method with returning value. Without returning value also you can use, no problem.
Yes, sir. Add in parentheses we can give arguments.
Syntax error. Static public. Okay, without just a minute. See, this is class Y. Next, one more class. Class Z. See here also same. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Otherwise just 1, 2. See main method. Square brackets, args, it's a block of code. Next, create object in order to access methods. Z equal to obj, Z obj equal to new Z. Next, obj dot add extends y. See in the y values 10, 20, z values 1, 2. See method overriding. Method available in local class, current class, and in parent class also. But first priority goes to local class. Then what is the output? Tell me. Arti, what is the output?
3. Oh, extend y, okay. Yeah, 3. Right now, 3.
3. 3. Okay. Next, create object using superclass y. Y obj1 equal to new y. Next, obj1 dot add. And then what is the output? Observe Sridevi, output. See this output 3. This output, second output, Kamal. We created object using superclass.
Yeah, the second output comes from the y class.
See 330.
30, 30, yeah.
Next, see mixing. Suppose y obj2 equal to new z. obj2 dot add. Here observe Aarti, add, which one? Which add it is loading? Here class name
Add
also.
void y1, that.
y1.
The one you are.
y1. So what is the output?
30,
No. See compile time.
33, 30.
Compile time. Compile time it is loading superclass method, but runtime it will use local class. Observe. What is the third output?
3.
3 means
3.
method overriding runtime polymorphism na this one.
Yeah, okay.
Compile time it is loading y method, y add method, but runtime it is using z add method. See. See this
Then,
is,
sir, then why we have to use that? Then, if we already know that it's going to take the local only runtime, then why we do need the last statement y object 2 is equal to new z? Then why we are not, you know what I mean? If he is going to use the runtime, so why we are using the third one? The y object 2 is equal to new z, object 2 is add.
just a minute.
Oh, got it now. Okay.
Okay na?
Yes, sir. Now I got it. Yeah, because we.
Okay. Okay. We'll meet tomorrow, same time.
Sir, 8 o'clock, right?